welcome to my YouTube channel. So ngayon guys, hindi tayo naka-receive ng pin sa ating satellite, no. Hindi tayo naka-receive ng pin galing sa GCash. So yung pin na yun guys is napaka-importante para makapag-load tayo sa ating satellite na signal para pwede tayo makapanood sa TV. So ngayon, hindi dumating yung pin. Ano po ba ang gagawin natin para maka-receive tayo ng pin ng ating GCash pin na ating satellite? Ang gagawin natin dito tayo naka-receive ng pin galing sa GCash para sa satellite. Ang gagawin natin guys, simple, punta tayo ng ating GCash. I-open lang natin ating GCash. So yung GCash ko na open ko na. So ang gagawin natin guys, punta lang tayo sa transaction. Click natin ang transaction, tapos yung kung magkano yung niloload niyo guys, makita kasi diyan yung load. Kung magkano yung nabawas, example 99 pesos yung load, pinili ko na load sa satellite, tapos nandiyan nag-minus 99 pesos yun sa transaction. So i-click lang natin diyan ito kasi hindi ako naka-receive ng pin. Ang gagawin natin diyan, get help. I-click lang natin ang get help, tapos ito yung pipilian natin. May tatlong option dyan. Ang nakalagay I entered the wrong details, I didn't receive the load I bought, I received different load amount that I was bought. So ang pipiliin natin itong pangalawa kasi hindi tayo naka-receive ng pin galing GCash. So click natin yan. So dito guys, may nakalagay dito. So date of transaction, GCash reference number transaction. So ID transaction, ID number, date of transaction, amount, tapos is the recipient information in transaction details correct. So ayan, please share your happen or add other information about your concern. So dito, is the recipient information in the transaction details correct? Yes, click natin sa yes. Tapos payment method, load inside the GCash app, borrow load, auto load. So click natin load inside the GCash app. Tapos load product, mobile broadband, non-telecom load, mobile broadband kasi satellite yung ano natin. Tapos satellite. Tapos dito hanapin niyo ang Globaton, Business, Fiber, Smartphone, Gomo Fiber. Ay wait lang guys Ayun guys, Smart, tapos specific load product 99, cannot receive pin from GCash. Tapos add file on drop file here, upload photo or attachment that can help assist you with your concern. So attach lang kayo dyan ng photo na hindi kayo naka-receive ng pin guys. So dito, kung wala, click na nyo ang submit. So thank you for reaching out to us. Please check your email or go to your GCash profile to view your tickets. To receive GCash notification, please turn on push notification phone setting for GCash. So yun lang po ang gagawin guys pag hindi kayo naka-receive ng pin sa ng galing GCash ng pin sa satellite, pag hindi kayo naka-receive ng pin. So dito lang po nagtatapos ng video guys, at sana may natutunan naman kayo. Thank you for watching. Yun guys, at how many hours guys? Siguro mga 2 hours guys, nagtitext po yung GCash na thank you for seizing satellite load 99 from GCash. Your pin is ayan, serial number ayan. So ayun, so how many hours? Siguro 2 hours yung hinintay ko, at kasi nga hindi tayo naka-receive ng pin galing sa GCash para makapag-load tayo sa ating satellite TV, satellite signal. At after 2 hours siguro guys, nag-text po yung GCash na ito po yung pin na pin ko para maloadan na po yung satellite na signal natin. At yun po guys, paano pag hindi kayo na makareceive ng pin ng inyong GCash. Thank you for watching.